Hi everyone, my name is Purnima. We are KraftObox. So today I'm going to show you how to unbox a KraftObox. So this is how the box looks like. When you get the KraftObox to your hand, this is how you will get it. So basically the KraftObox is sealed from top to bottom. So we will open it and see how what are the crafts included in the box. So when we open the box, we have a little note which is from our daughter Freya. So this will go in each box that we send out, and then it is covered with disposable paper. Now we will see what is included in this KraftObox. So this month our theme is rain and clouds. So this is the instruction booklet, which includes all the little steps that comes for each craft. So we haven't given much instructions because we want the child to explore the craft and be creative on their own mind. So we have given very basic instructions, and also we have a poem that we are giving out in each KraftObox. And then we have the crafts, which are all individually packed and labeled. We have all 8 crafts in each box, and then it comes with a pack of oil pastels, which is non-toxic, and also we give a tub of glue, and we also give coloring paper. This will also come in each KraftObox in each month. Now I have chosen a few crafts that I will show you what is included inside each pack for each craft. Now this is the cloudy. So you can see a white cloud, and also the arms and the legs and the eyes that goes for the cloudy. So every single piece is included in one pack. Okay, so this is one of the crafts. Likewise, we have the frog craft. There should be a paper plate for that craft. And then this is the frog, and then you have the lotus, petals of the lotus, and then the tongue of the frog, and then the stand. This is how you keep the frog stood, and then the eyes and the small pieces for the lotus. So every small piece is included in one pack for that each craft. And then we have the paper rainbow, again another very colorful craft we have for August. These are all created and crafted for the theme rain and clouds. And this is all we need for the paper rainbow, we need a cloud, and then the rainbow colors, stripes, where you will have to paste like this, and then we have the eyes, and then we have a thread that the child can hang it anywhere they want. So it's like this. In each pack of craft we have everything given. Now that's our crafter box. You saw what are the crafts included in our August box. So if you like our video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.